Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at the Ulanzi VL49 RGB mini LED lamp. I bought this to use mostly with my GoPro, although on my GoPro I'm using the light mode, and you can see this in a separate review. I'm going to link it somewhere here. It's pretty good light, it's very small. Of course this is not a video light to use in nighttime to film something, because it doesn't work that way. Neither is this one, although this is much more powerful than the small light here. They both serve kind of the same purpose. These are, let's call them vlog lamps. They are mostly used very close to the subject, and they will not make it bright, but they are going to increase a bit the brightness, especially when you are filming against some high contrast. It also works well when you are filming a close subject and you have something like a very bright background that makes the GoPro darken the whole image and your subject will be kind of dark. Then this kind of light or this kind of light will help brighten up the close subject and bringing you more details. So that's how you use this type of lamp. So let's take this out of the box. We get the charge cable, and it's a USB Type-C. That's great, just like the light mode here. And this is the lamp itself. And what else we get here? We get the manual, and the manual seems to be in Chinese and also in English, so it's combined in Chinese and English. Okay, and let's see, the lamp has an on-off button here and 3 buttons and the charge port there, so I can turn this on and power it right away, and you can see the LEDs there. And now it's in color mode, and you get this indicator here, and with these 2 buttons you can change the output color, and you have this nice scale here, so you can see it's 0 for red and goes to 30-60 degrees red on the other side. So if you want blue, you go to 240, and it's pretty cool that you get the idea of where you want to produce the color. You go there with the settings. So now I'm on blue, but if you do not want to use this and you do not want colors and you want actually white light, you can press this button here, and now it changes into another working mode, and you can select actually the color temperature. So you have all the warm white, cool white settings, so you can exactly change the in kelvins. And with the settings button here, I can switch now to the power of the light, and now it's 30%, and I can increase it up to full power. And on full power it's a lot more powerful than the small light mode here. There's also a difference here on the light mode. You can take the diffuser off, which is kind of a silicone thing, and now it's only LED light, and you can use it mostly as a flashlight. But this will not stay very nice on it. It kind of falls off, so you have to always take care of not losing this. While the Ulanzi here has an integrated diffuser, but you can't take that off, it's not possible. As for mounting options, while the light mode comes with this cold shoe mount with clip that just clips in and stays there, but has a bit of wobbling and play. This one comes with a regular cold shoe mount with screw, so you can fix it there, and now it will not rattle, it will not move, so pretty solid installment. And you also get extra mounts, so you can clip other devices, you can put a microphone or other things, so that's pretty cool. You can put your wireless microphone receiver there. And now a small test, so you get the idea of how this works in comparison with the small light mode. I'm going to start recording on the GoPro, I have put this on maximum ISO limit at 100, so we cannot bump that up, and minimum it's also 100, and it's now filming the table there. And I'm going to start the light mode, and this is how it looks on minimum. I'm going to put the manual here and something. Alright, so you get some idea of the details. And now I'm going to increase the power of the light mode, so now it's second level, and now it's maximum level, and that's how it looks with the light mode. And now I'm going to power off the light mode, and I'm going to turn on the Ulanzi, and the Ulanzi is at 30% right now, and you can see there is a lot more light. And now I'm going to increase the power, and I'm going to go, now it's 60%, 80%, and 100%. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this quick test. Let me know if you have any kind of ideas that you want me to test for you. Maybe you want more in-depth comparison between the two lights, or do you want me to film in some special situations? So let me know in the comment section below. And until my next video, see you and bye bye.